Dr. Hardik Mehta from Sri Shankar M.Ed College, Manut, Taluko, Patan. I am PhD guide in HNG University, Patan. Uh, my topic selection reason was this is pandemic period and this is online lectures in India, every school and colleges. That's why I chose my research paper title Quality Improvement through ICT in Teacher Education. My abstract was this paper aims to analyze and investigate the potential effects of value change in the use of teacher education information
Hardik sir,
communication technology.
Hardik
We
sir,
are currently in the process of making a move to position ICT as an improvement piece to teacher education for the development of the
Hardik sir.
guide era. The presentation would speak about the bulk of the common jobs, problem and requirements. We are inspired as instructor, teacher and integrate the creativity and training. The use of ICT here mercifully implies
Hardik sir,
certifiable and creative use with
Hardik
specified
sir, please,
objectives as we are
Hardik sir,
probably
please
aware
click
of the
on.
proximity of PC innovation has expanded and we cannot adapt to the uh, circus of cutting edge. Not and many of the nation's training school have recommended the ICT course as a schedule purposes. Use of ICT in teacher education will include CAL, computer assignment learning, PBL, project-based learning, CAI, computer assignment instruction, CBT, computer-based testing, CALL, computer assessment language learning, IRCT, internet as a research and communication tool. Quality improvement through ICT in teacher education. I was believe in advanced education give a chance to consider the basic social mandatory social good and profound issues confronting humankind. Concept of quality is a hard to give an executive meaning of value. Anyway, the journey for quality has been the significant worry of the whole human. At the every end of the day, quality is a non-stop improvement in the ex- execution to fulfill the client's need and desires in this manner. Quality is adjustment to the necessity. Quality in higher education, quality in advanced education has been abusively examined in the ongoing past. Advanced education must be responsible for the open case flow, the availability and productivity of the training. Educator instruction establishment may either accept a position of authority in the change of training or be absent in the trial of last mechanical change. UNESCO 2002. This is the declaration in question is an analysis of the importance of ICT in the training of instructors. In India and in Gujarat, in particular, we have certain institutions which place more emphasis on the use of innovation and open programmatic techniques to empower instructor teachers as a matter of fact is an extraordinary favorable position curriculum. At the other hand, given that we are extremely knowledge about the use of ICT in educator training, we should first find the requirement of the basic bringing ICT into the study of hall and using it at the same time with the material to promote instructor teacher. Even the government is also stepping up to the challenges as more than 400 computerized language labs have been installed throughout the state. Education programs should include all the sorts of nuts and bolts so as a MS Office, Word, PPT, Excel, OneNote, so on online assets such as networking resource and long range interpersonal contact location. The swift growth and importance of the creativity and instruction, the actually undefined innovation recognized is understood as the use of innovation such as the execution of the curriculum substance. ICT will help to turn teachers and undergraduate educators into self-study students. They need to demonstrate new training method and learning tools with a view to improving the learning process. In the addition, instruction training, foundation and projects should also provide guidance on how best to make the most of new development in their nation. Maintain mainstream ICTs in all subjects. ICTs will be part of the overall educational program through their instructor training, experience, and expert improvement program. Pre and in management, educators should be able to figure out, out how to combine ICTs into their own subject for learning to use to using to learn. The simple nearness of PCS or rapid access to the internet doesn't infer high use, not to mention instructive use. Utilizing the
Hardik sir.
PC
Hardik
for
sir.
word preparing of just as a
Hardik
convenience
sir.
teaching doesn't graduate that the PC is utilized to address curriculum goals.
Hardik
Objective
sir.
ICT is a part of call to the data universe that keeps instructor teachers up
Hello.
to date on a routine
Hardik sir.
basis to make the teachers creative and conscious of exciting trends in the theory of teaching and evaluation. Thinking
Hello.
the educator teachers along when handling a longer mass
Hardik sir.
with dispersal of thought. Phase 1 awareness. Staff and understudies are being pulled to
Hardik
the
sir.
internet with the
Hello.
extremely limited skill. From a one-day workshop or when their associate appear, they scan the internet. Often the individual quits.
Hello. Hardik
Agriculture
sir.
company, child
Hello.
reading, and for email
Hardik sir.
encouraging workers have come up
Hello.
against an
Hardik sir, you are not listening
increasingly
anyone.
learned group of
Hello.
undergraduate who
अरे
carry
हार्दिक
their
सर वाचन बंद
downloads
करो.
to the classroom. In higher
भाई
educated, the
चपरासी નથી लागतंय.
definition of quality follows
हार्दिक सर.
traditional very different. B.
Hello.
Conformance to specification or students' fitness to the task, effectiveness in achieving the institutional objective, satisfying the customer's needs, curriculum design and review, teacher learning environment, support for the student, resource of the staff, tools for the research, evaluation and the control, input, output, quality in control. Hello? Yes, sir.
हाँ हार्दिक सर
Yeah,
पता
yes.
तो ठीक है
Huh?
हाँ
हाँ बोलिए.
sir you have taken too much just conclude it
Just a minute. Conclusion. This is my
yes
conclusion.
okay
Nowadays of globalization and privatization with the expanded really and to address the new difficulty of the 21st century advanced education out to be drastically changed, quality improvement out to be progressively accelerated to make
हाँ
advanced education applicable to the current day. India is a required setup a chain of instructive foundation which are the licensed internationally, virtually, expectedly serious, idiot proof, straightforward, responsible, reliable and top notch without to likewise remember that quality can come